Number 2, note, figure not drawn to scale. Anytime they tell you that, and it's always kind of a good idea to assume that the figure is not going to be drawn to scale on these. They're telling you, you can't just like hold a piece of paper up or hold your finger up and kind of measure it with your, with your fingers, like holding your fingers at an angle or eyeballing it to see what the answer is. They're saying, I drew it like this, but it actually, who knows, it might be more like this in reality. It's just random lines. You can't rely on it. But we have these 2 lines, and we have an angle marked 1 and an angle marked 2. And it says in the figure, 2 lines intersect at a point. Angle 1 and angle 2 are vertical angles. The measure of angle 1 is 72 degrees. 72 degrees. What is the measure of angle 2? You may have seen in your math book vertical angles or opposite angles. It means the exact same thing. But important to know that since they are currently calling this vertical angles. And they're testing your knowledge of the theorem that says if I have vertical or opposite angles, they're going to be identical. They will be congruent. That's all it's testing. If they are opposite, you have an intersection, 2 lines are intersecting. Let's draw this with 2 different colors so it's really clear. 2 lines are intersecting. If I have angles that are opposite each other across that intersection, they will be congruent. Always. These would be congruent. Those are vertical opposite angles as well. The reason for this is because, see, these 2 angles together make a straight line. So let's say this was, call this x, and we'll say this is 100 degrees. Since they make a straight line, they add up to 180 degrees. So 100 plus what equals 180? 80. But then if you look over at this other angle on this side, this one right here, it also is making a straight line with that 100. So it is also adding up with 100 to get 180 degrees. So what is it? It must also be 80 degrees. That's the reason why that this works. But that's all they're testing, that knowledge. You don't have to do any math with it in this occasion. Some problems in the SAT you might, but this one you don't. They're telling us angle 1 is 72 degrees. They want to know what angle 2 is. It's congruent. It is also 72 degrees. That is A. Hey guys, head over to my new site, mathwithalyssa.com, to get your free, yes, free 10-video course of SAT tips and tricks. It covers things like how to make a study plan that's perfect for you, how to pace yourself during the test to get maximum points, and so much more. I'm super excited to get this out to you guys, and a lot more SAT prep help is coming for you in the weeks ahead. Again, that is mathwithalyssa.com. And if you liked the video you just watched, please let YouTube know. Comment, like, share, subscribe. You know the drill. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you have a great day. See you later. Bye.